Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, How to Create the Perfect Ponytail. Check it out. Alright guys, let's get started. So it's been all the rage on Instagram, how to create that perfect ponytail. Let me tell you, back in the days when I had long hair and I used to wear my hair in ponytails a lot, I would put it up and then I would put a clamp on the bottom of the ponytail to kind of give it that fanned effect, like that big voluptuous ponytail that we all love. Well, you really couldn't do anything besides something like that or figure out some way to make that ponytail kind of like give that voluptuous effect, and I would tease it and spray it and make it look all perfect as I could. Well, now there's a product called Ponyo. I ordered it off Instagram on the website Ponyo, and it took about 2 weeks to come. I was pretty excited, but I haven't tried this product out yet. So I'm gonna try it on camera with you guys and follow this step by step. It comes like in a little, has like a little pouch that you can put the Ponyos in it. I ordered the blonde and the black just because I do wear a lot of black, but my hair is blonde, so I kind of wanted it to match as well. So if I say I don't wear black and I was wearing like a pink outfit, at least I'd have a blonde one. It says that you don't need a rubber band, so we'll try it both ways. We'll try it with a rubber band, we'll try it without a rubber band. And I'm gonna try it with my hair without my extensions and without my clip-ins and see how this works. So let's just take, sorry, I have a mirror right here. We're gonna take my hair and kind of like what I would wear. Actually, let me tease it a little. I like to have like a little poof right here. So let me take, what I would do is I just take like a section of my hair and then I just kind of tease it a little right there, and then just kind of leave it like kind of full right now, just because we're going to put it in the ponytail. And I like to leave a little bit of hair on the sides. We're going to take that and we're just going to bring it up into a pony. And see how you get that little bit of a oomph right there. Okay, I'm gonna try this with, I'm gonna do the blonde one. Actually, let's do the dark one. And it says to, like as if, wait, hold on, stand by. Yeah, so you would take it like you were doing a rubber band. So you put your 2 fingers through, put your hair through it, through the ponytail like that. Let me turn around here. And then you flatten it. You flatten it like a pancake. You flatten it out. And then you take the 2 ends and you squeeze them together. This is just following the directions. And it creates that perfect pony. Ooh, it works actually pretty good without a rubber band. Let me give you like the side view. Like that. I don't know if you can see it, like a little side view. So it kind of creates that same effect I would have done with the clamp, which I couldn't do with short hair now. And it kind of gives you that all around pony. Oh my goodness, that actually works really good. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. Wow. So that would be like a low pony. I really couldn't do a high pony because my hair is short unless I had my extensions in. And then I would just kind of take the teething part of the comb. Let me smooth this out a little. And I would just kind of give it a little more oomph there. Take it out. But it actually grips pretty good. Let me see. Let me whip my hair back and forth. Let me whip my hair back and forth. Let's see. Let's get crazy and see if this falls out. I'm going to do it really, really hard. And no, it doesn't. So I think I could actually wear this to the gym. Let me give you that. All the views. So that's the black one. It also, again, comes in the blonde as well. So that would be like a mid, like at my ear level ponytail. Let's try like a low ponytail and see how that works. So we'll kind of make it like a rubber band, a normal rubber band. All right, now let's go for a low pony. Let's do the same thing. All right, let's try the blonde one. So I'm gonna do the blonde one, do the same thing, put my fingers, put it through the hole. And then, let's see, let me turn around again, flatten it like a pancake, flatten it out like that, and then take your 2 thumbs and push it together, and that's what creates the ponytail. And then I kind of just took my hand and kind of molded the ponytail in a circle, so it would look like that. So that's how it creates the perfect pony, and the Ponyo. So that would be more like a low one. I mean, this one doesn't kind of give you that same effect. I think it has to be higher in order to give you like that butterfly effect that the whole point of this whole ponyo is, but still it holds it, and it's supposed to be better for your hair so it doesn't, you know, like tear your hair or damage it, because you're just pretty much putting it in this, like, I don't even know what it's made out of. It reminds me of like the Nike watches, or even like your Apple band. It kind of reminds me of like that material. I don't know what material that is, but it works really good. I mean, I'm wearing black, so I would definitely wear the black one with this top. So I'm glad I did. I think you get the choice of like ordering 2 blondes, or I don't know if there's a brown one. I'm pretty sure there's a brown one. And then you can order black if you just want black. But I want to say they were 2 for $19.99. But I'll put the link on the bottom. But yeah, that works really good. I mean, I can't believe how well it holds. I mean, I don't feel like, I'd have to test it out at the gym and try it out, but I don't feel like it's gonna fall out at all. So it comes out really easy. You can even do like, let's just say you do like a half pony, like maybe just wear your hair half up. Like, let's just take that little section right there. Let's try that. We'll go back to the black one, and then we'll push it through like we did before. And this just works like a regular ponytail, and then you can just flatten it. It said that you can just wear it like that, or you can just leave it flat. It looks like a barrette almost, like that. Or you can take the ends again, push your thumbs in the 2 tabs together. I call it tabs. Just mold it with your hand, and you can kind of wear it like that as well. So it gives like that. I don't know if I'd do that. I think it looks kind of silly like that, but I don't know. I don't know. Maybe you guys like it. Maybe it looks cute like that. I don't know. I don't really wear my hair half up too much, but I guess that would be cute. And you can leave it like, you can even back comb this a little bit more and kind of leave it a little bit more poofy, because, you know, I love me some big hair. But yeah, that looks cute like that. Actually, it's not bad. But you can even leave it flat, like I said, and leave it more like a barrette style. So that's kind of what it looks like. It's really exciting. I love this little mechanism. I don't know why I didn't try it before. I wanted to try it on camera with you guys, but it works really good. I'm going to try a little bit higher ponytail. Let's try that and just see what it looks like. Again, my hair is short and it looks kind of crazy with it because I had just flat ironed it. So let's see here. Let's kind of give it, I'm going to do it about right there. I wanted to give people with short hair kind of a better perspective if you can use these. I mean, obviously it looks really good with long hair, but right now my hair is short, probably like a lot of people with the trend of short hair going around. Again, just pushing it together, flattening it like a pancake, and then pressing it together like that. And then just molding it with your hands. And you just kind of play with it the way you want. But yeah, it just kind of gives you that effect. And then I would bring like these down like that. But it just kind of gives you like that little right here. I would even probably like kind of play with it and make it like kind of wispy right there, because I have those little short ends. But that looks kind of cute like that. Kind of that way. But yeah, I'm happy with it. I like the way it looks. It's a cute little pony. It does create that perfect ponytail effect. I mean, I probably would have done it like the very first one I did, where it was a little bit lower. But yeah, it works really good. I really want to kind of just see what it's like with the rubber band too. Just because, say you're going somewhere and you just want, like, you just don't want it to move. You want it to be absolutely perfect. So let's try it with the rubber band. And just to kind of give it that extra security, let's just see. So that's like a regular pony. So that's what a normal ponytail would look like. Mine still kind of sticks out a little bit, but now let's put the ponyo in. So I already put the ponytail in. Let me turn around here. And now I'm going to flatten it out like it said. Now it's not going to flatten as much as it would have without it. And then I'm going to push those corners in. Of course, it's not going to push in as much because I have the rubber band in there now. Maybe if you used a thinner rubber band, this is kind of a medium-sized one, and just mold it. Mold the ponyo around your rubber band. Now that really kind of gives it that extra security if you want. I mean, you don't have to, because I felt like it was pretty secure without it. But yeah, that kind of gives that ponytail effect. It's really cute though. I really like it. Let me give you the other side. But I really like it. I almost like it better without the ponytail holder though. I kind of feel like it lays flatter without it. Let me see here. Let me back comb this a little. Again, let's go back to the first one. Let me back comb that. Make sure it's nice. I like it to stick up a little there. And I leave it like that, even though it looks a little crazy. And then I'm gonna just take, again, leaving out some of these sections right here. I'm just gonna take that and put it, oop, that's gonna calm down in a second. Hold on. And if I go back to like that mid-size pony, and I'm doing it without the rubber band. Press it nice and flat, like a pancake, and then take my thumbs and secure it. Yeah, I'm digging it without the ponytail holder, actually. I feel like it kind of creates like that little bit of oomph, but not too much. I felt like it stuck out a little too much with the ponytail holder in it. And the whole point is to not wear a ponytail holder. It's just supposed to use the pony O. So that's really cute. It's really cute. I like it. All right, so that's the pony O. I'm excited about this. I'm really glad I purchased it. I would repurchase another one. I think it's a really great gift. I mean, I know Christmas is over, but you know, for birthdays or just because gifts, I think this is a really good gift for your loved one if she has long hair, or even guys. I mean, hey, some guys like to do it. They also have like a bun one where you can buy the bun. I don't know what it's called, but it's out of their line, but you can create a nice little bun with it. There's different ways you can wear this. You can do like the topsy tail thing where you can flip it, spread apart your hair and flip it in and then pull it out, and it will give you like kind of like that effect, which I usually do sometimes with a regular rubber band. So you can do that. There's different ways. You can go on their website and see different ways to create different looks, but the whole point was to kind of give it that perfect pony, which I am really digging. I really like the way it turned out. I mean, I think it's really cute. I would kind of play with it a little bit more, and my hair's all over the place, but yeah, I mean, it's really cute. I would kind of tuck maybe those there. I might have put too many wispies out. No, I like it better like that. I'm impressed. I really like this little ponyo, and you can travel with it and put it in your little bag, your ponyo bag. Again, I bought the blonde and the black one, so I'm really excited I did that because I do tend to wear a lot of black, especially to the gym, and at least I can use the black one for that. And it looks like they clean really easy. It kind of, like I said, is like that Apple Watch material, like the sport band watch, where it's easy to just wipe off and clean. And it's, again, gonna not break your hair as much, so that's good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I wanted to try out this ponyo that I purchased on Instagram. Look forward to another video on another product I purchased that I'm really excited to get in the mail, and I will try that out on camera as well. It's another hair product. Thank you again for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. Set your notification bell for future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks guys, bye!